face ripping.
We are.
Like, what is happening? What I do know is I want a retrace before previous day high. I don't think we'll get one.
We might just rip it, honestly.
Yeah. See, hopefully we can stall and like get like this 15-minute retrace maybe. This shit is just bull running though. Holy. We're up like 150 points from 8 a.m.
Jesus. Yeah, no, we're just running.
Yeah. Do we have any pre-market news? No, we have 10 a.m. orange folder.
I'm gonna run to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
But some water. I think I'm set.
All right, I'm about to drop some sauce. All right, first you have to open up the 4.5 minute chart, and then you have to set your stop loss at the equator order block. Then
Damn, still fucking 20 minutes till the open. This shit's just gonna rip.
It's just like running, bro.
That ass.
This 15-minute wick, is that a rejection block, you think? Possibly.
Like I thought it would be, but like on the hourly, we're like pretty deep into it, at least on ES.
Yeah, we are.
I think we're gonna end up running that high. We're gonna resweep into that daily gap probably.
Where's that daily at? Oh, we barely tapped it before.
Yeah. This leg hasn't had a retrace yet, so like we honestly may not go for that previous AI until we retrace. I mean, the way this looks, we might just blast off, but I want to retrace. I don't want to top blast this shit out. Previous day highs, 60 points. ES is only 4 points, so SMT. Could see maybe that SMT sent us back down into the range. And maybe we can short into like equilibrium.
Mm-hmm. Damn, I can't believe how much this is just fucking running. It's actually nuts.
Literally. From 8 a.m. till now, we're up 160 points. Jesus. Yeah, I mean, right now there's really no conditions. I mean, we might make this 5-minute gap, but we'll still be 15 minutes from the open.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm just actually mind blown at this price action right now.
Yeah, that we're just running, yeah. The 5-minute inverse at 8 a.m. wasn't terrible. Just didn't have like a proper sweep.
Yeah. So SMT is called what is it?
It's
Smart money.
SMT. Oh yeah, smart money techniques, yeah.
Basically, it's when two correlated assets like NQ and ES, they're correlated assets. Like they're supposed to be relatively doing the exact same thing. It's when two correlated assets become uncorrelated. So like one will take out a high or one will take out a low and the other won't.
On this range, low key, like we have like no SMTs. Or well, like yeah, there's really no SMTs.
We might make one at previous day high, but yeah, that's it. That's
Yeah.
the only one I like see.
Yeah, there's really no other SMTs in place. It's gonna suck because like if ES takes previous day high, it's gonna be hard to long NQ to it.
Definitely. I agree. I mean, this thing's just ripping right now.
Literally. Holy like rip, like we are just moving. But why?
Hey, Intel looks really nice pre-market.
Yeah, it seems like tech is running.
What's up, Rohan? Definitely bullish, guys. I already have the indicator set to the bullish.
Yeah, we should go for previous day high.
Yeah.
I don't want that SMT to form, but it probably will.
Mm-hmm.
And like that previous day high made like another SMT of
Csak
there
a
as well.
fajda kredit ovalli.
yesterday.
De Zarunovskaya takiat kastak.
Sorry, go ahead.
I know. I was just saying, yeah, we had like the SMT at that previous day high. Like we made one when we swept out the high.
Mm-hmm.
See, this leg has to be due for some retrace at some point. There's no way we're just gonna just full blast off 200 points to previous day high.
Right? I mean, one would think.
Only thing is are we gonna go for a deep retrace or is this 5-minute gonna end up holding? So I would prefer the 15-minute, but like at this point, that could just be a breakaway. We might not come back down for that. And that previous 1 hour close is insane. Jesus.
Oh yeah, wow. Jeez. I mean, the 1 hour looks like it could be starting a buy model here.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, we made that higher high yesterday. There's an SMT, but we also made we put in a higher low, and we're looking like we're going to make a higher high.
I agree, definitely.
Bro, if we just rip previously, I'm gonna be so sad. I don't really have any targets above that until like 140s. And then we'll be in that daily gap, so we'll have to wait till we displace through it or see what we do inside of it if we sweep.
No, definitely. I honestly, I like this as a buy model though. This 1 hour, all the way
Yeah.
up to like 433.
433. Realistically, yeah, I mean this all should be low resistance all the way up. If we're truly looking to buy up from this point here. We kind of grinded lower overnight, retraced, and then started a buyback up. We did make that 5-minute, but looks like this shit does not want to retrace in any way.
Dude, this shit is so bullish. Holy shit.
Yeah, deadass.
Look
I just noticed that's the level you marked out is the previous week.
Yeah,
Previous week's high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do like that. As the overall draw, for later in the week.
For the week. Yeah.
Bullish bets on the US dollar are skyrocketing.
Jesus Christ, what are we doing? Yeah, we are just, well, ES took previously high there.
Oh, did
We
it?
are ripping right here. Yeah. SMT there now. Yo.
YM took it actually right there too. Perfectly. Perfectly.
Interesting.
Yes.
IQ does just seem strong, like it will take it too. It's only 30 points away. It's like IQ's gonna rip it.
Jesus, dude, I looked down for a second. I should have just bought, bro. Should have just pressed buy.
Yeah, this momentum is crazy.
I'm just looking at this shit. God damn.
So yes, I got rid of that original high time frame S&T, but there's another one in place now.
Yeah.
It's gonna be weird.
Yo, for those of you in the TikTok chat asking the win rate and stuff, the win rate is totally up to you guys, right? So there's going to be a lot of different settings that you guys are going to have to go through and kind of figure out what settings best work for you, right? I could show you my settings, but it's kind of up to you what settings you want to use, and then from there every single person's like entry signals are going to be different, and then from there it depends on what trades you actually take. So the win rate is totally up to you guys, right? Like it depends on what kind of trades you take from these signals and then what settings you actually have. But like if you only chose A and A plus setups, I think you would have like pretty decent win rate. I'm not gonna lie, I have a 70% and I use C plus setups and I use human discretion. But if you only used A and A plus, I think you would do very well, honestly, because I don't see A or A plus trades ever fail, really. All right.
Back towards those like 15-minute gaps. Technically now that 5-minute down there, we could end up inversing it and going lower, and then going into those 15-minute gaps.
We definitely could, yeah. I mean, this would probably be the area where we would, you know.
Yeah, if the SMT. Cause I don't know if I want to long in a previous AI with SMT now.
I agree. Agreed.
So that means there's a possibility that NQ won't take out the previous day high because ES did.
Yeah.
Definitely, yeah. Remember, all we're doing is just trying to react to what we see, not try and predict it.
Yeah, and then that sweep now puts ES into that daily gap. So could be an area. Unless NQ just quietly face rips to previous AI here.
Hold up, I'll be right back.
But just opened up another 5-minute gap now.
Alright, I'm back.
But I think he's getting close to previous AI here. We opened up another 5-minute below us. I mean, it does look like we'll like this close, like it should sweep it. But
I do
I
want
just hate like
I do want to see us take it at some point.
Yeah, no, I agree. Like, I mean, this close at this point.
Yeah, I don't see us in a world where we don't sweep this out at some point today.
Yeah, no, I think so.
What's up,
I'll
Hug?
come down for this 5 here. It's just like we could retrace, go for that previous high. I just hate that ES took it already. It's like, how do I frame it now?
I agree. I hate like targeting like draws are already taken by one of the pairs.
Yeah, exactly. And then like inside that daily gap, there's really no levels inside of it. There's like an unfilled hourly gap at 0.78, but that's not really a true draw on liquidity. Like, I wouldn't be like anti the long to that.
I hope there's just something easy, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Nah, I mean probably just use MNQ. Whatever the chart is for MNQ that you can. I trade MNQ1, Caden.
We're gonna make a 15 into the open here.
Market open in 30 seconds.
Yeah. Honestly, NQ might just open and just rip the previous day high out.
Probably, honestly. Just fuck us all.
Right.
Alright, here we go.
Let's see.
In 5.
So we have this 5 minute and a 15 as conditions. If we come lower as a retrace to go higher. Okay, just ran through the 5 into the 15 here. We also have an SMT in that 15 minute there as well.
Okay, good shout. Great shout.
That's just flipping green here. I'm about to put an SMT at the top of the range.
I'm not taking it yet. I didn't get that 30 seconds.
Yeah. I don't like anything yet. I just don't like the SMT at previous day high. We could retrace further.
Wimes
Could come down for 50% of the range.
Wimes bull running right now.
Sheesh. That could also be the divergence that might send us lower.
And we just put another SMT right here.
Yep, SMT at the top.
Internal,
NQ definitely looks weaker here.
yeah, internal, external SMT. Let's see what happens.
I think if NQ comes back, flushes out 930 lows, and we start to retrace lower.
I think if
We
NQ
also
comes
have
back, flushes out
relatively equal
930
lows at
lows,
916.
we start to retrace lower. I think if NQ comes back.
NQ might go for previous AI.
I tried to get an entry there. I didn't get it. I didn't get filled.
I took a quick scalp off that 1 minute wick fill, but I didn't put enough size on. Actually, kind of like it's kind of pointless. It's just like that high, like the next high after that is just so high resistance now,
Yeah.
and then ES is just ripping to the next high that NQ is like 100 points from still.
Damn, dude. I actually I tried getting filled on it, but I'm tight. I didn't get filled.
I looked at the 15 for a second. That shit looked terrible off of that like manipulation lower. Like there was no like gap left behind. I don't think. Unless I missed it. Was there a 15-second gap?
Gap? No. The
No.
1 minute was super nice. 1 minute 30 seconds.
Yeah, the only thing I saw in that 1 minute was like we started wick filling and then like buying it back. So I just like took 5 micros, but it wasn't enough to that previous AI
Yeah.
size wise. I'm just gonna lock these though, because I mean that was like the ultimate draw I wanted.
And that was like double profit for you, right?
Yeah, that's true too. I did take the gold.
Yeah, that's nice.
Tap C of this daily gap right here. I don't know where ES is in relation. ES looks like it's about to like go over the daily gap. Huh. You know, the daily looks interesting though because those November lows we swept, made the SMT, right? And then we came back down and filled that gap where we swept those November lows.
Mm-hmm.
And now we have this daily gap, which, like, if we flip it, are we going back to the range highs here? I wonder.
So we might.
I've been looking at the higher time frame like inverses, but they've been like weird. Like especially the 4 hour, it's like we'll get the inverse and then we'll just flip completely the next day. We have this first percentage gap opened up here.
That was
Low key, maybe first presented flip down to low of day. Quick little easy scalp into some low hanging fruit. Because like ideally we don't want to long through the daily gap until we convincingly flip through it, right?
Yeah, or retrace and build enough price action too long up to it. I agree.
Yeah. I mean, looking at the 15, I just like if you're gonna short, it has to be like shorting a retrace. I don't think we're gonna flush all the way back down. This shit is insanely bullish. I don't know what's up with this.
Yeah, I agree.
It almost seems like super engineered, just the way we just spiked up pre-market. So, just watching this first presented, like the main condition here. Let's see, hourly. We're close to that hourly gap fill at 078 that I called. I think ES is displaced well past that by now.
That's fire, Rohan. What was that? 9:32 that candle close? 9:31.
Which one?
Wow, the one.
Oh yeah, that 1 minute candle close, yeah. Bro, I guarantee like all it takes trades, like he'll take that and then put a stop at like that body low, that 931 and take it to previous day high. So it's still like decent RR.
Yeah. No, I don't. It's insane.
That's like insane because like it's just like saying that that 1 minute candle is not going to retrace down 10 points. All right. This first presented could honestly like offer something nice. I don't know if I want to see it flip for low of day or hold for higher. It's just for higher, I would only take it to like 078 on NQ. And then maybe hold runners to 143.
We have a 1 hour for Valley Gap untapped. Could be a draw. 078. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that 1 hour gap fill.
Yeah.
Yeah. That would be like the most like makes sense. Just like near term draw. Because the actual draw higher is 143, which I feel like we need to build more price to actually have conviction for that draw.
Agreed. Definitely.
Bro,
And like this area here, we're starting to stall a bit.
I might be looking at the wrong chart, but I don't got no draw for 143.
You might have to like set your contract rollover. It probably isn't 143 in reality because the contract's like pricing changes when they flip it. Because on NQM, like I know previous day high today was at like something like it was like 04 something or 033, 034.
I'm on
But I had it marked as 031 on like actual NQ1.
I'm on MNQ1 exclamation.
It might have, or well, you don't have like a gap there at all, or
No.
like what are you saying? It might just be a discrepancy between micros, if anything. Let me check. I'll check MNQ right now. MNQ 1 hour.
When you guys look at the first presented, are you looking at the first presented on NQ or ES?
On NQ.
Because I see like
they're both in the
like
same spot,
one
though.
really. Yeah, I see like one really small fair value gap on NQ, and then a big one.
Oh yeah, though 931, I wouldn't like consider that like, especially like ES didn't make that, but this like bigger one that we kind of like just missed. That's the true first presented there. We actually have an
Okay, I
SMT
feel
in
you.
that first presented right now.
We do, yeah.
Kind of interesting little reaction up.
No,
What do you call it, Volts? I see that hourly gap is there for me. It's at 078 exactly on the hourly chart.
Are you on MNQ1?
Yeah, I just looked at MNQ1.
Bro, I'm not sure.
It's right at, yeah, it's a small 1 hour gap right at 078. It's very small. Well, at least like in relation to the rest of the hourly.
My draw's at 180.
I mean, that's not far off. Yours might have a little discrepancy. You're like trading on the actual rolled over, like proper rolled over chart because you're on a firm on MNQ1 probably. So you're trading like MNQM technically.
No, I'm on MNQ1 thing. Look at future chat. Mine doesn't have no fair value yet, bro.
Do you have the settings right?
I think so.
Two events, and do you have continuous contract switch on? Settings, events, and then continuous contract switch.
No.
Yeah, that has to be why, because that definitely looks like a little off.
Do I also click continue switch breaks?
No, just continuous contract switch.
Yeah.
It's the only thing that should be on in that screen. And then it should be good. If not, you're cooked.
Yo, Jane, is there any difference between the continuous contract switches and when you go on the symbol, it says adjust for contract changes? Is there anything to that on symbol when you go click symbol?
Wait, symbol.
Yeah, click symbol, and then you see adjust for contract change. Are those like the same thing?
Wait, where's?
When you click
Oh,
symbol,
symbol.
you was just that symbol, yeah.
Oh,
See?
yeah, I would keep this on.
Is that like the same thing?
I don't know what
Okay,
it's for,
cool.
honestly, but I would just keep it on. Just for contract changes, and then continuous contract switch.
Oh, I got it.
You good?
You're fixed.
Yeah.
That should be good now. We like edge that 078, but we're kind of like starting to stall here, so I mean,
I'm trying to see this 5 minute get tapped.
we do have a 5 minute.
Can I find her tons?
Typical, we make a quick move and then just stall.
I can't do
618,
this.
which is 18
What the
billion
fuck?
light. So
I still think if we build up like some heavy speed and flush that first presented, then 930 lows aren't too bad. At the least.
Nah, that's not bad. However, I just don't like that there's a 5 minute now.
I mean, yeah, that's true too, yeah.
140.
I mean, price is just super overextended now. Like that retrace off open wasn't like I wouldn't like say that was a good enough retrace.
Yeah,
At least like to this range.
yeah, that was nothing.
Yeah, it was just like a quick little like wick down.
140. So really.
I mean, depending how that 5 minute inverse is too, it could still give something to low day as well.
Definitely.
If it doesn't inverse too far down. Yeah.
Or use that as the break even and target like the lows that we have.
Yeah, we do have those relatively equal lows, 916. Could be decent as well if we start getting heavy. We do just seem like inherently super bullish though for whatever reason. Like
We do. Let's see if
It's
we
weird.
get this 1 hour right here.
Yep, we're edging there.
Bro.
Coming up into it. ES is well above it. ES has a draw at like 68.11 that it's coming up to. That same draw on NQ is 143.
Oh wow. Okay.
So ES is like 10 points from that. But we are like kind of starting to accumulate right here. So maybe we get like a proper retrace into that 5 and then we might like start continuing again.
I would love that.
If we're as bullish as we seem, that would make sense.
I hate when it does this though, bro.
EMP, did you take anything?
Oh yeah, I took a long on the previous day. Off the 1 minute like kind of like rejection block, I guess if you want to call it that.
Okay.
That 930 wick.
Oh damn. So it's too quick for me. Shit.
Yeah, I just kind of thought like when it wicked back down into the wick and then started to buy back up, we would just go and at least sweep up previous day high. But I didn't put enough size on it, to be honest.
Just want your running day or just a couple of scalp?
It was just a scalp. It wasn't that quick of a trade at all. Like 30 points.
Fuck, we're running the one.
Yeah, we're above that daily gap now. ES has been well above it.
No retrace.
Yeah, I mean we are just it's just ripping. I don't get it. Broke out of that small range there. We are nearing that 143 draw now at this point.
Yeah. I mean,
Would
holy
be-
shit.
Seems a little probable.
Crazy. Crazy.
We still have that also that like New Day opening gap from last week that got left unfilled that I had wanted to see right above those 143 highs.
Jeez, bro.
See, like continuation wise, like with that draw that close, like those candle closes weren't too bad, but that 5 minute getting edge is insane.
I know.
Yeah, like
Did ES tap it? No.
no.
YM did though.
Interesting.
I might just take a 1 minute tap because 5 minutes so far now.
Yeah, I honestly don't like when price moves like this. Now we're just like we're extremely overextended. Any long could end up getting retraced on. I want to know like what these longs are like playing off of. Like, what's the catalyst? 'Cause it's obviously something. It's not just like we're not just buying up to buy out.
Yeah. I don't know.
There's
It's
news
gotta be
that
something.
there's news at 10 as well.
Oh,
Yeah, we do have orange folder at 10.
it looks like oil was dropping. That's why, because oil was like at it was like at $97, and then now it's at 94.
Yeah, it is dropping.
So it's probably that.
War related.
It's 5 minutes holding. Oh, we're in this 1 hour gap. I just realized. Big ass 1 hour.
Wow, this is just so bad.
Yeah, it's like price isn't giving the retrace that we want. It's like edging the retraces we're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Like that 5 minute tap would have been perfect. Like this move after the 5 minute would have been perfectly fine. Yes, it's like 4 points away from that next draw higher.
If we open this 3 minute, I might limit the 3 minute gap.
Let me see. Honestly, yeah, with the way price is moving, we're just shallow retracing. Like, would be valid.
I know as soon as I limit it though, I'm gonna get retraced 700 points on.
700 points. No, I mean structurally, it's like we're like super shallow in our retraces. So if that 3 minute opens, it's a nice 3 minute gap.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely could work out. We are in the macro, so we'll see if we start to move towards those draws. Create any setups.
I just turned on Kessex. I like Kessex for
Like these retraces.
and for honestly calling the top and the bottom for like good breaker blocks and stuff. Like if this
Oh yeah.
I don't know, it's honestly been really good. But now that we're in the macro, let's see if we got anything. 3-minute just opened, but I'm not limiting it. I'm gonna probably regret that.
See how it looks. Yes, did an open one there. I do like I like it, but I don't like the wicks at the top either.
Yeah, that's what I'm fading, honestly.
You could play like some kind of a confirmation from it,
Mhm.
like a decent confirmation out. If we're truly bullish and that's gonna hold us, we should get like a nice like clean close out of it. In there.
We did hit C of that 3-minute.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, we are. See if we get like a candle close back above these like internal highs maybe. I will say I don't like that we're just moving like slow. Like, we're not really like moving with any kind of speed, which isn't ideal. Honestly, where's like equilibrium of this like lower time frame range? We did tap it, we wicked equilibrium out.
I hate these slow days, bro, so much.
Yeah, we're literally just like moving ever so sluggish at this point. Yeah.
It's so slow you can't tell.
Oh, we
which
do still have that
direction
10
it's
a.m.
trying to
news
go.
though.
Okay.
We do still have that news in like 5.5 minutes. So let's see. It could PO3S lower to go higher. Would be like ideal for bullish structure. It's just that 10 a.m. manipulation lower. I don't know where I'd want to see that at. Maybe we open up another 5-minute or something. Starting to get this reaction out of this 3-minute though. In equilibrium.
Bro, news is right here. I want to take this to 144. These are 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's in 5.
Do I take it?
It's up to your discretion. As long as you're like, if you're confident that news would go in the direction of your trade and like not slip you out, then
Oh, hell no.
yeah.
That would be fun.
But yeah, tomorrow we have FOMC, which I didn't even know. I thought it was just PPI, but apparently we have a whole FOMC report.
Yeah, I like that candle, but
See if we're fucking slowing down.
I just hate every single day we come in the market and we're either extended down or extended up. Like pre-market literally ripped up almost 200 points from 8 a.m. into the open. And it's like, I literally sit here and I watch the price action form overnight. So when I start seeing that, I just like start shaking my head because I just know New York is just going to be like some bullshit. Like you're just going to sit through BS because like price is just cooling down at that point. Just so it's whack. That's why I've been like kind of like trying to eye gold overnight, but I've realized gold is like definitely much better for reversals over continuations. That's what I've been trying to like use on it.
That's valid, honestly.
Yeah, I've actually been using rejection blocks on gold. They're actually kind of like insane.
Fire.
Yeah. I think it comes down to like volatility. I think continuations like they thrive off of volume and displacement, which like is ideal for NQ. But then gold moves like in structure but without speed, so it makes like reversals better.
That's very fair, honestly. That's a good analysis.
And it's like that's why like when you used to trade gold, you used to like trade gold insane because you like reversals,
Yeah,
and gold's reversals are insane because it doesn't manipulate as much. That's the main thing. And when it does manipulate, you know like it's a manipulation move.
Yeah, you're right.
Exactly. Yeah. Hmm.
I mean, I can't believe this dog water price action that we're sitting through right now.
And are you?
This system
What
dog.
do you mean? Are you in it?
Wait, what?
I was talking to Jen. I was saying, do you mean to live?
Oh,
I can't hear you.
I think it was asking if you ended up limit ordering.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Bro, so I forgot that I like forward tested this on gold last night. This it was a 15-minute.
Got it inverse.
It was a 15-minute rejection block, and then like it hit TP at market open.
Really?
Yeah, W. That's what I'm saying, bro. Rejection blocks on gold are like weirdly good. I don't know. I gotta collect more data though. See, we did tap into a small 5-minute right here. We still have news in a minute and a half.
Mhm.
It's orange folder, and like news hasn't been sending us insane, but I mean like I would take that with a grain of salt because knowing our luck, this orange folder is going to be bigger than CPI.
Deadass.
That would piss me off so much. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, if pending home sales sends us more than CPI, we have a problem. All right, got about 50 seconds here. See what it does.
Just dump. Just jump.
The way we've moved off open, I'm low-key anticipating we might like PO3. So we'll see if we manipulate higher or lower with this 10 a.m.
Always lower.
Yeah, ideally, if we're going to continue higher, I'd want us to manipulate lower. Do we have a 15-minute? We'll open a 15-minute off of this 10 a.m. We'll see what happens here. Alright. See what 10 a.m. does.
My guess is higher, in my opinion.
It's looking like it's getting ready to.
Oh, we got the dodgy signal there.
Sheesh.
Let's see if we can get anything from that.
It's low.
It could be data high now.
It's
Data
coming
high
out.
low.
Yo, see how big this candle prints here?
Shit is not. It just looks like.
Yeah, this price action is just terrible.
Sucks. Yeah.
Just slow as shit. That 10 a.m. candle's smaller than the one before it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, what?
I just got locked up on Tradeovate.
Someone hacked you.
The fuck? I say unauthorized. What you mean? They got me.
Wow, that sucked. That sucked.
So ass, bro.
Yeah, pretty anticlimactic news candle, if I do say so.
No. Tradeovate's not working on TradingView.
This shit sucks.
It's so bad.
Yeah, this shit is beyond slow as fuck.
Damn, 1 week we're getting 50.30-second candles, and now we're getting 2-point
Nothing.
weekly candles. Like, what is
2 point weekly.
this shit is crazy, son.
Yeah, price
I
needs
did want to see a
to.
5-minute close. Or
It's because of all that
inverse.
tariff shit, bro. When price spikes down 30% and buys it back up ×2, we could only imagine what the cooling period looks like.
That's just crazy.
So it's over.
I mean, we'll see. I mean, Q1, right? Things start slow, right? Companies are like, getting the new year started off, right? I think like,
Oh, hello.
I mean, like any other year, right? We always see like April going forward, the year starts to like progressively move and move. Usually the first few months are a little bit wonky.
Actually, kinda like
January
this
January is
one
probably beyond like one of the worst types of price action I've ever seen.
Don't remind me, bro.
Like I don't even know. Like I'm gonna go back one day and like back test that month and see like was it me or like were the markets actually just that bad?
Oh, that shit was bad, bro. That is
It's just
an
like-
idea though, to go back and see like if it was us in the time being, or like
Yeah, like what like to see like what statistic caused us to have that bad of a month basically.
we just have
Because
to
I mean
Yeah,
like in
5-minute
hindsight
close.
we're supposed to be avoiding that, but it's like that's all hindsight. It's like easier to say that after the fact.
definitely, yeah. We just tapped the 15-minute here. If we
Yep.
if we flip this 1 minute, I'm gonna take it.
Flip to the
I like the estimate.
The shit's like didn't fill my stop loss on paper. It slipped my stop loss on paper. That shit is that.
keep
But yeah, that 15-minute tap could be valid.
Mhm.
Let's see.
see.
This is the first red candle the 15 might print in the last since 8 a.m.
Some people lost on this 954 candle.
954 candle.
Trying to go higher.
What are you targeting for longs?
Oh, like
On
143. I mean that candle. The only reason that candle's like kind of fucked up is just because like at that point we're just at the top of the range, and like that candle was a 23-point close, which is valid, but it's also like technically still just as rangy as the rest. Because
Yeah, I was gonna take that one. I want to see the body go above those highs though.
yeah, it would have had been like a much stronger displacement, like a clear displacement.
Yeah, no, we're flipping this, bro.
Where is EQ of like this general move up until 8 a.m. to the top? So EQ sits at low of day.
Oh hell no.
Polish SMC.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's just
This
tapped EQ.
could-
If it's
15.
Oh, that.
This could be
Okay,
good
yeah,
here.
yeah.
we get this.
Okay, yeah, you're taking that range from low of day to the top, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I took mine from 8 a.m. lows, but that's like the higher time frame range. Yeah, this range makes sense though.
Alright.
15-minute tap. It's like mechanically, if that 1 minute inverses, it's valid, right? But like from a discretion standpoint, it just looks so weird.
It's the whole trend is downwards right now, so I don't know.
ES flipped this 1 minute.
And the way I'm looking at it is like that 1 minute created like low key, like low resistance. Like it's very like obviously the highs are right there, but it's still like low resistance. Like it looks like price would go back up for those again.
Yeah, I mean, look, because it's like lower highs, right? That's why.
Yeah, like they're just like perfectly in line, like trend line highs, if you will, I guess.
Tory trade salivate.
Pretty much, yeah. It's like trend line highs. Ideally, it's like if price were to build some strength out of this 15, you would expect us to run out those trend line highs. It's just this shit is moving at like 1 point every 5 seconds.
Bro.
Like, what the fuck are we doing? It's just this BS of us expanding like before New York session.
Mm-hmm.
whether it be pre-market or overnight, whatever the case. Like,
But it sounds like I trade Asia.
I generally just think it's because we're having foreign conflict, which it makes sense that like overnight sessions are moving more. I'm sure foreign markets are probably looking insane off of all this shit. All I know, bro, is if gas goes above $5, bro, like consistent not getting any type of gas, I'm just not driving in.
No, you know how you
Not
do that,
having-
bro?
Hmm.
You get an E85 fuel flex conversion kit, and you just go full.
Bro, E85 here is almost $4 now.
What?
That ass. It's not any
It's like-
better. And that shit runs out faster.
It's like 230 by me right now.
Damn, they kept it the same. Yeah, that's how much it usually was, around like that 2-something range. Now, last time I saw it was like 340.
Wow. This 15-second flip down, honestly. I don't know.
Honestly, bro, gas prices go out the wall, bro. I'll deadass get a Tesla just for the time being. Like, I really will.
Really? Like a used one or
Yeah.
like a new one?
Nah, I'd have to get like one of like the higher specs.
Yeah.
Or if it's used, it'd be valid, but definitely has to be higher spec. Because
The
when I
Tesla
used to
Plaid.
detail cars, like the interiors are just like shitty on the bases.
They are. Tesla Plaid.
Yeah, they're like recycled. A Plaid would be sick, but 6 figures for a Plaid is insane. I just feel like they're crazy to ask that money.
No, they are.
You could probably find a used Plaid for like maybe 60-ish, depending. 6, 7. I also wouldn't mind like German hybrids. Like the German hybrids are cool too.
Like a German, say it again?
German like hybrid car. Like the
Oh.
cars that come with like a V8 twin turbo, but also like a hybrid version.
I forget, like, what's an example of that? I know.
So like the newer like GT63s are V8 hybrids.
Got it.
And then the newer M5s are as well, yeah.
Yeah.
We might have to go EV, bro. They might not have lied to us when they said that we're gonna have to go full EV. It wasn't because they were gonna ban gas, it's because they were gonna inflate it.
Bro,
That's actually crazy.
my dad's Prius, bro. Low key, it's actually such a cheat code. Like,
Bro, when gas goes to 15, that car is going to be a grail car.
Bro,
It's gonna cost more than SVJ.
he has 180,000 miles on it. He got it 2 years ago, so he's put 90,000 miles on in a year, and then
That is
fucking-
insane.
And then to fill it up, it's like $18 when it's fully at the low. Now it's like 26, but it's like it's the easiest
Even then,
car.
that's
It's
still like
400 miles to the range.
it's actually crazy. W Toyota. Japan's always been ahead.
Sweet that shit.
Yeah, we didn't end up flipping that gap out of that 15. My resweep. This shit just looks so slow. This is what Asia's supposed to look like.
This is what lunch is supposed to look like.
How come my TP1 and TP2 are always very close? TP1, 1-to-1, TP2, 1 to 1.1. The indicator like picks out like draws on liquidity, like I guess if you want to say like, kind of like algorithmic based, if you will. But for the most part, when you use it, like you would want to pick out your own draws. That's kind of where discretion comes. But the draws and liquidity that the indicator gives out are usually like the most make sense, like low hanging fruit draws. But yeah, I mean, you would just utilize your discretion. Like, for example, today, if you had like an indicator set up towards previous day high, but like the TPs were below that, you would use your discretion to know like price wants to run for previous day high. So that would be your actual TP using the indicator at that point.
Alright, resweep inside this 15-minute. Leave this 1 minute open. Inverse this 1 minute. Break even at those relative equal highs and hold for the equal highs.
We're not getting that, bro.
Yeah, honestly.
You might get that in Asia.
This 15 might just want like a deeper retrace. We're all like into this current gap that we're in. We also have like a 5 minute that aligns with it too. We're about to tap. We just tapped it. NQ also just tapped equilibrium from that 930 low.
Oh,
And first presented gap there as well. If we're gonna start moving up, this would be the area I'd expect us to. If we flush this out, then it might be worth framing the 930 low. But ES looks like it's weaker than NQ here now.
This is pain, bro. This is straight pain.
Bro, what the
I wanted
fuck?
I wanted to enter when we flipped that 5 minute on the I don't know what candle that was. On the 5 minute chart, it was at 10 o'clock.
Oh, that was actually.
But there was a yeah, but there was a 15 right there that we just tapped, so I didn't want to get reversed out. I wanted to inverse and then break even at that 15,
Mhm.
but I would have got break even regardless. So I'm trying to frame shorts from here just because ES is coming out of the 60. But
I just realized like most good entries come when price is just like in clear displacement. Like these candles, like on this 1 minute right now, like it looks like shorts would make sense because we're displacing closing down. But then when you look at the speed of the candles, like that throws you off. Because like a lot of good trades run off of momentum.
yeah, and I like how this last candle closed below that little block of them between like 9:30 and 9:45. So I'm trying to find a reason to go short, but it's just so slow that I can't really tell.
See, we're still hovering this 15. The other thing too, like that can be used as like a key level is since we closed previous day high and we're retracing into this 15. Like previous day high is the CE of this 15 that we're in.
Yep.
So like we could also see a reaction if we come back down for that.
You know, Turbo Trades.
Hmm.
He does
Mhm.
that. He'll wait for
He
the-
uses it
Yeah, break a structure for a value up tap.
because like when you look at it from like other strategies, all that is like you're breaking resistance and turning it into support.
Exactly, it's a break and retest, but on a more
Yeah, that's all it
precise
is.
level. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
We are looking pretty weak though.
Yeah, we are. ES is a lot weaker. It was stronger coming into market. Now it's actually weaker in comparison. It's actually below that 15 now.
That gap tap looks pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. 1 minute with that candle close.
Yeah, it does. Like we whipped into it and just whipped right out in the same minute.
Yeah.
It's just weird here because it's like shorting wise, like ES at this point doesn't look bad to that low of day. NQ on the other hand is still like well above it.
Yeah, agreed. I'm not entertaining shorts right here. I still want to look for the longs if we still get this. I mean, the 15 minutes still open.
Yeah, exactly. We haven't closed it. Like we could still hold this.
Yeah.
I mean, if we do, but if you look at the wick on that 15, like that like kind of looks like that reverse V-shaped wick almost.
No, it does. Yeah. I just.
But it wouldn't be worth shorting this until we do confirm by closing through it.
Oh my god.
In my opinion.
Did we actually
ES
confirm
just
Wait.
ES just closed it.
That was like, yeah, low key. That was like,
close it?
yeah, it was
Yeah.
like a close by a point. I mean, that's not bad.
Yeah,
All right. Well,
I'm in shorts, but
let's say goodbye to the portfolios for the day. There goes that.
I'm breaking even at that 5 minute gap at
I mean,
992.
realistically, like if we take like the range lows from 8 a.m. to the high, equilibrium rests right at that 9:30 low, pretty much like a couple points just above it. But yeah, if we break past that, then yeah, portfolios is 0 for the day for sure. I mean, what's new? Like at this point, bro. I think there's more of a reaction now with green than like when you see red, it's like, oh, just another day.
Yeah.
To the AM.
What happened?
I might take a gallop to the AM.
Yeah, if it like clean, could be worth. At this point, looks like that's where ES is drawing to. I'd be careful once you're making SMT there. It's just weird because I do want to see price like continue to go higher, but like we are super extended. So if we wanted a deep retrace, like that's fair enough. But at the same time, it's like I also don't want to be shorting because we could just bounce off of anywhere in this range now, really.
Yes, I should draw by 3 points.
Taking a partial at this. What level is this? That 5 minute gap.
5 minute.
Then 992 or 993.
Good.
Wait, this is all
Let me
the-
buy.
It's too far me to trade get right now. I need to go see lower prices.
We're off of a golden pocket right now on NQ. Right here, 618 level. Mm, 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 mm. Kind of watching ES to see if ES is just gonna wick fill that low of day with NQ being this high up.
EMP Economics took the same trades too.
Huh?
Economics?
Oh, he took the same trade. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't like I wouldn't say like that wasn't like my typical like entry model. I just previous day high like into the open just seemed to make sense when we like came lower and then we're wicking like as if we wanted to go for it. But like I put it
got
like
some,
way lighter size than I thought.
got some sell side at 964.
Bro, we
That's
just tapped the smallest 1 minute gap ever and then just
Did we tap
plummeted.
it?
Yeah. We actually SMT'd it.
Yeah, we gave SMT. Or no?
Like minis tapped it, MNQ may not have tapped it.
No, it didn't.
It was not happening.
Oh yeah. ES didn't tap it either. ES just took out low of day though. So I'd be careful for anyone who is short with that SMT there.
Yeah, I'm already break even. I just put in profit a little bit.
And Q also wicked 0.79 perfectly on that little move down. That made the SMT. Wait, where did my... Oh, yeah, my SMT indicator's not on. I was like, where the fuck are my SMTs at? All right. So...
There's no way we come back up to my break even, right? There's no way.
Shit, bro. We never know.
I'm
I mean,
break
so
even at
the thing is, right?
25.
ES ended up tapping... Did ES tap this down here? No.
It didn't
Oh,
tap
wait.
the 5.
It tapped like a more like discounted 15-minute gap. Where's equilibrium from 8 a.m. on ES? It's down in the lower 15 minutes.
There's no way.
Jesus, that is an insane.
Wow.
Take that 1 minute flip, bro.
Okay, I might have to start going for 1-to-1s because this keeps on happening. Like I'm up 500, 1/3 of the way to my TP, and then it just flips on me. I might, if I do 3 of those, that'll get the job done.
I took like I think
Happened
I
at
took
least
like 4
8
days on my
times.
evos.
Yo, 144 question mark?
Do we
Oh,
have?
that's so got an SMT.
We're gonna open up like a bearish 5 minute here, unless this candle can push up towards like 062 before that. ES is definitely gonna open up a bearish 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
There's also a 3 minute. Just tap that right now. 3 minute tap.
Yeah.
We do have that SMT at that low of day now, so it's like, now what?
Yeah, I don't like that. That just popped up. Oh, that's ass.
Give me full TP. I did take that 1 minute. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, I did. That close was really like insane. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm break even.
Right off 0.618
Yeah.
with the SMT.
SMT 15-minute held.
And then I wanted to see, like, that was honestly like, yeah, that was pretty insane. I'm not gonna lie.
I love this. I need this to half pass. I'm break even. Just let me half pass here. Come on.
Send it. Yeah, because like we got SMT, ES tapped a more discounted imbalance. Tap perfect golden pocket on NQ, got a perfect displacement candle up with an entry trigger. Like, if we're truly bullish, this is where we continue price upwards.
Just don't break even me. I took a small
Ideally-
score, so
Nah, that should be fine. We'll see if this, like, ideally this small gap right here.
There's 2 small gaps right there. This is annoying.
Let me check the 3 minute. Did we flip the 3 minute? We did not flip the 3 minute there. We are inside of that small 5. ES has a bigger 5 minute. But that previous 3 minute close was really, really good. Fuck it, send it NQ. Thanks. Don't slow down now after that shit.
send it.
Where's your TP at for this?
859.
859. Or wait, 859?
I'm on 859. Oh, you took ES?
Oh. MNQH took? Fuck. I think I took the wrong. I'm on trade of 8 still, so I think I took the wrong one. But on
It's still moving with volume though, right?
yeah,
You should be fine either way. Yeah, it's fine.
it looks
As long as it says
exact,
one.
but the price.
Yeah,
is
no,
different.
then the volume is pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Price would just be a little bit skewed,
Yeah.
like in the like actual share price.
Basically 077 is my half pass on the updated.
Oh,
On the
okay.
actual chart.
Yeah.
Okay, but yeah.
Gotcha.
That's insane. My like cursor was just sitting there flat, like somehow by accident. Like it's literally at 07700.
Wow.
That's wild. Well, now it has to extend it there.
Just spike, bruh.
Come on, NQ. Don't do this slowing down BS. Someone call Yahoo, bro.
Big Yahoo.
Yeah, Jampiri Amacon.
It's on. It's always on.
Let's go, let's go.
This shit on TikTok.
Pump it, pump it. Come on, NQ. That's like what, bro? It's like a little under 10 points, or a little more than 10 points. Like you can
The
do
Wicks. The Wicks luckily we're gonna go higher. It's pretty good.
I'm gonna take this all the way to buy side at 113 or 114, whatever that is.
Good push there.
Um,
You
I'll
only
give
like
it
9
one
points.
for-
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh shit.
Don't edge. No.
I hate all of this.
Run it.
Nah, it should be fine. We just closed that smaller 1 minute right there, and the 3 minute inverse right there too.
Run it.
It just needs a quick little spike. Maybe a magnet emoji.
Ooh, nice.
Maybe a little magnet. We do have those relative equal highs on the 1 minute that like look pretty good at the very least,
Yeah,
which is
that's-
above your TP.
That's
No?
why I just want right under it. I'm not even being greedy, NQ. Just
Low hanging fruit, bro. The low hanging fruit. Just go for it, NQ.
Bro, I never hold trades this long on evals. This is actually insane. And I put 30 fucking micros on, bro.
Jesus Christ,
30?
Yeah.
bro.
Wait,
this shit
30?
has-
Jesus
yeah.
Christ.
Yeah. I mean,
He wasn't lying to you when he says he full ports the evals.
No,
Full boys, okay.
I don't lie to you guys. I'm floating $1,000 right now. This is just putrid.
Oh my god, NQ, please.
Oh my god.
Relax, relax, relax.
No way. What the
There's
fuck?
no
is
way. There's no way, right?
Oh boy.
Boy, no way, boy.
That is
Boy,
that might be rancid right there, can't lie.
Dude, they're watching you, bro.
I'm gonna stop at 033. I want that as a break.
Yeah. Got mine at
I would like it. I would
0.30.
like it. Wick into this small 1 minute above it.
Yeah.
We're in this 3 minute too, so I would ideally like to just see that be a shallow retrace and just pump the shit. We also got that 3 minute inverse. I don't want to see that fail. 3 minute, 2 minute. The 5 minute was close. NQ, don't do it, bro. We will all trade soybean oil futures if you do this shit.
Yeah, no, we're gonna trade soybean futures, NQ.
Literally. And
Soybeans.
crude oil.
Yeah,
Anything but NQ.
We're never gonna trade you again, NQ.
I want to run into a like multi-millionaire
Never gonna
cattle
trade you
trader.
again, NQ.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
NQ. We're never gonna
Oh my god, like
Just do it.
Never gonna trade
Come on,
you
bro.
again, NQ. I swear to God.
if we come back above those internal highs, we should just spike. Like there's no way we're not just gonna spike it. Run the internal highs, spike higher into the relative equal highs.
Moment.
ICT said that's how the algo works.
Your Jan start blowing.
Start
Come
blowing,
on.
please.
Give me TP.
It's right there, dog.
Ooh.
And it's over.
What is this?
Yeah, what the fuck am I?
If it's not happening now, I don't know if it ever will.
Does NQ not
At this
care about
point.
dopamine, bro?
That ass, bro. Just give me
I
the
need my
dopamine.
fix, dog. Give it to me.
Pause.
Unpause.
Unpause.
Can't really say pause.
Bro, this is over. We lost everything.
No. I'm gonna text Yahoo right now.
Get ready to see the magic word.
Man, if we get a close at this high, I'm doing a tight break even because I'm sick of this shit.
I miss Tyler. Where's he at?
I don't even
I'd
like
be
this
probably
trade.
live streaming or something.
I think he's on TikTok live stream as well.
Oh, we didn't tap that 2 minute when we went down there, huh? Nah, we just missed it.
2 minutes.
Oh man.
NQ, bro.
It's the beginning.
Why?
Relax. Just go up.
Telling you, bro, start blowing.
Oh, hello.
Come on.
Hello. Yeah,
Oh.
break even right there.
I'm out. That
You
was,
would-
that was full pass for me.
I guess somebody
Good shit.
blew. Somebody blew in the chart.
Let's go.
Good shit.
That was me.
Good shit, fellas.
Hell yeah. And, oh shit, I looked down for a second. Let's go. Nice.
Good shit, fellas.
Trail my shit in some profit because fuck that.
Another full team.
Whatever happens, happens.
Son. Shit can't be real, son.
Dodgies is $40 a month, not 50.
Okay.
Fuck, man, that was stressful as hell.
Yeah,
For no reason.
it's over.
Yeah, because you had 30 micros on.
Fair.
Break even. A little bit of profit. Sick of this shit. It's like I took no trades the last 2 days. This shit is ass.
Bro started fast when he saw it was working. Yeah. Yeah, this is Dodgy indicator, Kendall.
Nah, now that you say that, the amount of times I've gotten 1/3 of the way, I should just do 30 micros.
Well, so that's kind of
you-
what I think because, dude, like, realistically, if you lose the trade, right, and you lose $2,000, you're not losing $2,000. You're losing $100
Yeah.
bucks. So in my head, it's better for you to be like churning through the $100 at a time to then get to the fun stage to then really be like practicing risk management and actually shooting for good trades and like practicing risk, like actually like, you know, properly trading rather than trying to
Mhm.
sit through, you know, the evals and try and properly trade. That's just my opinion though.
Yeah, no, I feel that. I think I do that based off of price action too. Like when we were running 80 points just because in both directions, I was not doing that shit.
Mhm.
But now, like the slower price action, I'm bumping it up to like 10, 15, but
Yeah.
I'm getting like halfway there and then it just flips on me. So I might just bump it up to like 20, 25, 30 and just do that.
Yeah, no, people in the chat are saying the same thing. Yeah. So like also like when I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but like if I take eval trades, right, and I take like a small loss, like a $200 loss, like I don't know why. Like in my head I'm just like, bro, like what the fuck? And then I just start chasing because the evals don't mean shit to me. Like I'd rather just be super patient like I was today, wait for the exact trade that I want to see, just full port it, and then it's just the one trade. I don't even need to wait for the full draw on liquidity. You see how we miss these equal highs too? Like, you know, a lot of people probably
Yeah,
got
that's insane right there. Yeah, it just X the fuck out.
you know.
That is fucking crazy.
That's just shit out of it. Yeah.
I mean, that's also like the main reason I just wanted that. Like, I only wanted previous AI. That's only reason I took a quick scout because look what we did after that shit.
I bet you that we probably delivered straight to just equilibrium of this range that we put in. Let's see.
Honestly, maybe.
We tapped 0.0705 like to the tick.
Gee.
To the absolute tick.
I'm starting to realize in ranges like fibs actually kind of play if you're scalping them.
They really do, bro.
I'm starting to realize. I don't know. I'm just lazy to go collect data on FX replay, to be honest, but I probably should.
I'll
Just
be
on some
fine
of the
with
other shit.
that 2 minute.
I need to go collect more data on rejection blocks on gold and more data on fib retracements within ranges.
Yo, whenever you decide to go on FX Replay, just screen record the entire thing. I can upload it to my Claude and then just have it cut up, the most important things, and I could just learn alongside you and not have to actually do any of the work.
I mean, yeah,
Word.
that's how AI goes. You could very well do that.
Yo,
Dude,
me
it's
too.
actually insane what you can do with Claw, bro.
Honestly, on the weekend, if I'm bored enough, I might just do like 1 month back test, maybe, and
No,
for
but if you
YouTube, and
actually-
we can clip it and everything.
If you actually do, let me know. I'll come sit for it.
But yeah, might do it sometime this weekend. I'll see. Probably a couple hours, sit down and like actually back test, collect some
But yeah,
little bit of data points. That's the thing. I didn't I didn't back test until, I don't know, my first time back testing might have been in like May or June of 2025. But it wasn't until after back testing that like I was getting consistent payouts, because like at that point I knew what price should look like when I want to take entries.
Exactly. See, that's what like I always think, like backtesting, you should really only use backtesting for like becoming familiar with your strategy, not so much like I don't know. You really should just be using it for becoming familiar with your strategy, in my opinion.
Yeah, I don't really think it helps with like a lot of discretion. You're not seeing like the candle sprint in real time, but like I guess it helps you realize or see like signatures and patterns in price.
Exactly. Yeah, for sure.
More so. And then you get to like kind of see what your like trade expectancy is. So like understanding your average RR and like your average win rate. So like you can understand like if you take 2 losses, if your average win rate is like 60 to 70, like statistically your third trade should be a win.
True, yeah.
Loki, want to see? I want to try and take these alpha accounts to live. Apparently, I guess they give you like multiple lives, like TPT.
Alpha?
Lucid.
Oh, Lucid? Sorry, I'm
Yeah. Apparently, it's like coded like TPT. You get the end of day drawdown. I guess the only difference would be like the daily withdrawals. I think they spread out your allocation across like 5 different accounts.
Just upgraded to Lucid.
Yeah, once this like price gets out of like this daily consolidation, I need to go on a TPT or
TPT, bro. It's the move.
you can't, because it's like hard to trade trailing drawdown in these conditions unless you're truly just scalping everything.
All right. Did I tell you? Oh no, I was telling Volt. Well, actually, no. I kind of told you this morning. I'm basically starting from scratch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I passed it. Now I'm starting tomorrow. I think that, so. From my understanding, with the Lucid Flex, you can get a payout in 3 days, right?
No, it's the pro accounts. The flexes are basically top step through and through, so it's 5 days, and I think minimum profit's the same. It's like 150, I think, for 50K. And
I got you.
no consistency. Yeah, so it's pretty much the exact same thing.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys held for the equal highs.
I have a question.
What's up?
Normally when an SMT, like, to be honest, while in this, I've been hearing SMTs like a lot, but in this Discord, I've actually understood how like it works. So when the SMT is putting like the bullish SMT on that 1 minute,
This one that you're
what
talking
would
about, right?
what high would no, from the bottom where the ES put in that the lower day.
Oh yeah, okay. I see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how would you like make a target like once that happened, like you got in that trade and you got your target and stuff, but like would you target that high of day?
So I can kind of. So are you like confused on like actually finding the entry and like kind of pairing the SMT with the entry? And then
No. I just kind of understood that when you literally called it out, that the ES took it. I understood it. So when you was already in the trade and you was like, passing your challenge, I wanted to know what would be a good target. Would it be the high of day at that point?
Got you. So for like every trade, it's gonna be kind of different. For my instance, right? Like I full port my eval, so I don't have to hold for actual draws and liquidity. If I took this trade like legit on funded accounts, I would probably be targeting first TP at these equal highs right here, and then the rest off at like high of day, because these are also equal highs too. But since I'm on evals, like I was just targeting the 1500. I didn't have to actually draw. Like I didn't have to actually hold for a draw and liquidity. If that makes sense. If that answers your question.
All right, cool. Yeah, it did. Thanks.
No problem. I'm from New York, Em. Where are you from? New York City made .e92 Jan. Who is that, an actual account, or you're just saying I should make an account like that? Oh no, that's actually kind of fire name. Maybe I should honestly start an account like that though.
Car account.
Car account, yeah. Dude, they put the coils on, the camber plates, and the big brake kit.
Let's go. Don't hit a pothole.
Oh, yeah.
Bro's gonna hit a pothole and see his front bumper behind him.
Bro, the potholes here in New York, dude. I can't even explain. I can't even put into words how deep they are, bro.
Oh, here too, bro. The roads broke up because of the cold.
Yeah, cause of the cold. Yeah.
It's actually crazy.
It gets super cold, water fills into the cracks, and then it gets super cold, ice expands, and then causes all the cracks.
Damn, science.
Dude, my buddy, he's got a Nissan Altima. He was driving on the surface road. He fucking smacked the pothole. He blew his tire out, right? I had to call one of us, go help him put the donut on the car, and then drive him to Mavis. He spent $400 on the tire to get it fixed. He got ripped off, right? He comes out of work the next day, bro. He forgot about the pothole. Hit the same fucking pothole in the same exact spot, bro. Blew the same tire, bro.
That is fucked up.
Oh my god, dude.
Duh.
I'm so fucking. I could not believe it, bro. I was astonished.
But it's his fault, honestly.
All right, fellas. We got any questions?
Nope.
It's a good time to call it, I think.
Yeah, I'm down.
All right, fellas. We will see you tomorrow.
Yes,
Catch
sir.
y'all
Catch you
boys,
boys in the
man.
morning.
Peace.
Take it easy, fellas.
Peace.